People use the term formulas and functions somewhat interchangeably. However, functions are specifically built-in calculations, while formulas are a bit broader. True formulas can combine multiple functions or just have simple math operations like adding 2 plus 2. There are over 450 functions listed on Microsoft's Excel website. Here's a quick scroll through some of them. It can be a bit difficult to navigate all these functions, but there are some ways to help. First, a simple internet search is the easiest way to find functions. Oftentimes you'll be led to a specific Microsoft page on the function, and it has an explanation of what the function is, and perhaps some tutorials on how to use it. Another thing to keep in mind with functions is Microsoft has lately been limiting some functions from different versions of Excel. So I'm here on the sum function page, and this top part right here will show you which versions of Excel the sum function is active in. This is one of the most basic functions, so all versions of Excel will have the sum function. However, if you click on this XLOOKUP function and click more, you'll notice that this is only available for Excel for Microsoft 365 and Excel 2021. So depending on your version of Excel, you might have a more limited library of functions. You can also access all of the functions within Excel. There's this Formulas tab of the ribbon, and in that, this section on the left-hand side has a function library grouped by different categories such as financial, logical, text, etc. You can also click this Insert Function button and type a description of what you want to do, and then search for a specific function. Let's say we wanted to calculate a loan payment. We can type loan payment in there, and this comes up with 3 functions that may be what we're looking for. And you can click through and see if it has what you're looking for. You can also access that same box by clicking this FX button right there, or using the shortcut Shift F3. I know a lot of formulas in Excel, but I still find myself coming to this box to search for functions every now and then when I'm not sure how to do something in Excel, but I feel like there should be a function for it. I'll often use a Google search as well, because that tends to be a little more broad than this insert function box. In the next few lessons, we'll cover over 40 Excel functions that are critical for you to know.